At this point, you want. Huh? Oh, bachelor, I'm gonna get me. How long minute I am me? So this is my face apparently. Not foundation, I take environment. So no, just white powder. Come here. Even my brown powder don't make like that. Just normal white powder come here. Because the heat get come heat me, yeah. Human machola. So this is my face without filters. The kind of reaction. This is not cream, it's not cream reaction. No, but can they feel in it? Oh no. So we are just waiting for time. It's a matter of time, and everything will be better. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I am patiently waiting. I'm waiting for it to clear. But for now, everybody will be asking me, what happened to your face? What happened? Why are you like this? Why are you so dark? Why are you like this? And my answer is going to be, I don't know what to answer. Should I say to them, I have been swimming? It's because of chlorine. I reacted to chlorine. It's because of swimming pool. So this is what I get by entering swimming pool, and it actually reacted. Wish me quick recovery, quick and fast recovery. So for now, no makeup, because each time until the makeup, yeah, made the matter escalate. Yeah, the worst, like they can winch. They can winch. So for now, no foundation, just me and the darkness of my face.